A phone that comes at a mid-range price, but offers features even the most expensive flagship phones can't give you all at once? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's real and it's changing the game. This is the Honor 400 Pro, and in today's video, we're diving deep into what makes it so special. Let's get started. Unboxing is pretty straightforward. Here's the device, SIM card tool, and USB Type-C cable, that's it. But keep in mind that in some regions, an adapter is also included. It's available in 3 colors, Tidal Blue, Lunar Grey, and Midnight Black. It features the iconic multi-angled layout for the camera module, which really stands out and looks great. On the right side, there's the volume rocker and power button. The left side is clean with no buttons. On the top, you'll find one of the 2 stereo speakers, a microphone, and an AR blaster. At the bottom, there's the second stereo speaker, USB Type-C port, microphone, and SIM tray, which supports dual SIM slots. The phone comes with an 8.1mm thickness and weighs 205 grams, giving it a premium feel in the hand. It's comfortable to hold and well balanced. The frame and back panel are made of plastic with a matte finish that repels fingerprints. It also offers military-grade protection rated IP68 and IP69, giving you complete peace of mind against dust, water immersion, and even high-pressure water jets. This combination of premium design and durability proves that you don't need to sacrifice toughness for style. When it comes to the display, it boasts a 6.7-inch quad curved AMOLED screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The standout feature is its 5000 nits peak brightness, which guarantees sharp and clear viewing even under direct sunlight. The bezels are also extremely thin, enhancing your experience whether you're watching content, gaming, or just scrolling. It delivers an immersive feel that you typically expect from flagship devices. For biometrics, it features an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that is fast and highly accurate. Face unlock is also reliable, thanks to the depth-sensing selfie camera. It comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery and supports 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. So in terms of battery and charging, Honor has taken things to the next level. For performance, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, last year's flagship processor, which still delivers incredibly strong performance, very close to current flagship levels. It handles day-to-day tasks with ease and can do pretty much anything you'd expect from a top-tier smartphone. On the software side, it runs Honor's own MagicOS version 9 based on Android 15, and it's promised to receive up to 6 years of updates. The control center gives you access to all shortcuts and is fully customizable. You also get widgets, wallpaper options, always on display, and even a dedicated gaming mode that lets you tweak performance settings on the fly. On the back, it has a 200-megapixel main lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens. On the front, it features a 50-megapixel main selfie camera along with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. And here are some photos taken with the main 200-megapixel camera. Here's a macro shot. And here's how the 3x optical telephoto lens performs. There's also a 6x shortcut available. But once you zoom beyond 15x, that's when the UI super zoom kicks in. Now, you do need an internet connection to use this feature. But once you take the shot, after a few seconds of processing in the gallery, a rough zoomed-in photo transforms into a surprisingly usable image. This is made possible by Honor's own Telephoto enhancement large model, an AI trained on 12.4 billion parameters, delivering much higher detail and more immersive results. When you take photos, the colors are natural, vibrant, and authentic. Unlike Apple's photo style, you can't tweak the color tone afterward. What you see is what you get. For portraits, you also get 6 new film simulation tones, giving you a variety of unique looks. However, when using these film simulations, you can't use AI enhancement or the AI super zoom feature. Low light performance has also improved, while there's still a slight blur in some cases.